Greetings and welcome to Aliens and Ghosts Live from the beautiful space coast of Florida. I'm Mike S. I'd like to thank all of you observers for subscribing to the channel, liking our videos, and sharing it. That's how our channel's going to get bigger. We're going to keep putting out good Aliens and Ghosts Live videos. I wanted to go over the video posted by Jean-Michel Tanak of what appears to be 3 crafts orbiting our moon. He's an amateur astronomer from Montreal. As you can see, we'll see him appear here soon. You can see you can see the clouds, you can see everything. You can tell this would be very hard to CG this one out. We'll see him appear right here. Here we go. What's interesting is if you really look, you can see them casting their shadows, each one independently, all 3 crafts. Running in different lines too. They're not all in the same. And then woof, they disappear into the darkness of the moon. We'll take a closer look, slow down a little bit here. Here's the first craft. Second craft's come over the horizon. You see the shadow of the first one, second one, here comes the third one. There's its shadow. Man, that just makes it compelling right there. The size of these things, I'm not really sure. I mean, they gotta be several hundred feet, maybe 1,000 feet, a couple thousand feet long, or they're pretty large. Reminds me of the shape of the light ship. That's exactly what the craft looks like. Here we go with an inverted effect, so you can see. They're really in the photo. Now check out the way they cast their shadows. The white spots on the moon. Look at that. What could that be except, in my own opinion, crafts? I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. Pretty good footage from an amateur astronomer. This might be some of the best footage here out recently. Here we go, we put a little different look to it here just to try to highlight it, bring out everything a little more. You can see them all independently with the shadows from each one independently. Oof. Hey observers, just want to take a minute to show you some of the Aliens and Ghosts Live merch. Look at here. Couple nice coffee cups. Got a gray one and a white one there. Buttes. Oh, got a sighting. Look at that. It couldn't be. It's Neblum. Ooh. Really nice shirt. Really comfortable. Heard they're all pretty comfortable. Check this one out. This is nice. Look at this one, guys. Look at that. You can't even see me back there. Things. Oh, got another sighting up. Ooh, coming out from underneath the TR3B. Look at there. Oh, the black version of the Aliens and Ghosts shirt I like to wear right here at Aliens and Ghosts Live. Nice stickers. If you guys want to help support us, let's go to our merch store. We've got links on Facebook, YouTube, and at aliensandghostlive.com. And I'll let you get back to the vid. If you're under 18, always ask for your parents' permission. I want to show you guys this one too, originally released by Alan Diablo, November 22nd, 2018, and further edited by Secure Team. But check this out, up in a lightning storm. Familiar triangular craft. Oof. We're going to take this and look at it closer, where you could actually tell it's not a hole in the cloud. It looks like it actually gets struck by lightning. This looks like the wing craft to me, not necessarily the perfect triangle. It looks more of the wing, which we see out there in space. This was taken just basically from somebody's car, taken of the thunderstorm, just trying to get some cool pictures, you know, of thunder. And look at that, boom, craft. Here we go, real time. Man, that's just stands out like a sore thumb triangle. I don't know about you, but I don't know, I've never seen really too many sharp triangular clouds in my life. That's the kind of footage you just die to get. To see the lightning hit it, and you can see some mist, like mist around the actual craft itself. If it was just a hole in the cloud, you'd think the strikes from above would have just blown right through, like nothing was there, but you could tell that something was there, and it conducted with it. That's probably a pretty good sized craft. That's your classic size, probably a few 100 feet wide. Probably about 250, 300 foot wide. Looks like maybe 30 foot thick, or I mean, if you were to try to guess. Man, that lightning hits it though, you could really tell. We're gonna take a little time here. Oh, look at that. I don't know, the TR-3B or the Black Manta. I mean, is this ours? Is this an alien species? I'm not sure. If you got a good idea about this video, just shoot us a comment. Haven't really seen the video get shot down yet as a CG. That's what makes deciphering whether these videos are real or CG. That's what, when people fake videos, it just makes the whole study worse. But this one looks pretty real. But you can see actually the atmosphere interfering with this object, especially here. Take a close look at that. You could tell that object's there. If that object wasn't there and it was just a hole in the clouds, it would have shot right through it. But it ends precisely on the top at 2 points and on the side in 2 points. There's a couple other phenomena was going on in this lightning storm, but might have been another craft with it. Just stunning imagery though. Just compels me to think that, in my opinion, that it was a craft that was there that he caught that night. It's perfect angles. It'd be super hard to get that generated with a hole in the clouds. I don't see any other hole in the clouds. But look at this interaction with that lightning. You could totally tell it's interacting with that object that's there. I don't know, we seem to be having a good amount of these sightings, the TR-3Bs, 3As, whatever you call them, Black Manas, or the Aurora Project craft. Look at this there, it looks like more interaction in one of the bolts of lightning. Well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm Mike S. And I'm out.